Welcome to our tutorial on reducing file size in Microsoft PowerPoint. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to optimize your PowerPoint files and make them more manageable. Let's get started. Compress images. One of the main factors contributing to large file sizes in PowerPoint is the presence of high-resolution images. To reduce the file size, let's begin by compressing the images within the presentation. Select a picture in your document. The Picture Format tab appears. On the Picture Format tab, locate the Adjust group and select Compress Pictures. Under Compression Options, do any of the following. Make sure that Apply Only to this picture is not selected so that the changes you make here will apply to all pictures in the document. Select Delete Cropped Areas of Pictures. This option removes the cropped picture data, but note that if you delete the cropped picture data, you won't be able to restore it. Under Resolution, select Use Default Resolution. Click OK to save the changes. Now that the image resolution has been set to default, let's move on to the next method. Click on the File tab at the top left corner of the PowerPoint window. From the drop-down menu, select Options at the bottom. In the PowerPoint Options window, go to the Advanced tab. Under Image Size and Quality, do the following. Select Discard Editing Data. This option removes stored data that's used to restore the image to its original state after it's been edited. Note that if you discard editing data, you won't be able to restore the image after you edit it. Make sure that Do Not Compress Images in File is not selected. In the default resolution list, select a resolution that is 150 ppi or lower. Click OK to save the changes and close the PowerPoint Options window. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.